Hey there, fellow YouTube enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I have an exciting and life-changing story to share with you all. In just 14 days, I transformed my cluttered life into a journey of minimalism, and it has been nothing short of incredible. So, if you've been feeling overwhelmed by stuff and seeking a more purposeful and fulfilling lifestyle, you're in for a treat. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to embrace the minimalist journey. 1. The beginning. Before I embarked on this minimalist journey, my life was cluttered with material possessions and distractions. I realized that the more I owned, the more stressed I felt. So, I decided it was time for a change. 2. The inspiration. In those early days, I turned to inspiring minimalist YouTubers and thought leaders who shared their experiences. Their stories touched my heart and ignited a desire for change within me. It was like finding a community of like-minded souls, and it motivated me to take action. 3. The plan. I needed a plan. So, I set specific goals and created a step-by-step action plan for the next 14 days. It included decluttering my home, organizing my digital life, and focusing on what truly matters. 4. Decluttering. Day 1. I started with decluttering my living space. It wasn't easy at first, but I used the KonMari method and asked myself, does it spark joy? If it didn't, it had to go. 5. Digital detox. Day 7. I realized that minimalism isn't just about physical possessions. It's also about freeing up mental space. So, I embarked on a digital detox. I unsubscribed from unnecessary emails, organized my files, and limited my social media time. 6. Finding purpose. Day 10. With all the distractions gone, I found myself pondering on what truly matters to me. I focused on my passions, hobbies, and relationships. It was liberating to discover a deeper sense of purpose. 7. Living with intention. Day 14. I've finally embraced minimalism as a way of life. It's not about deprivation, it's about living intentionally. Every possession I own serves a purpose and brings joy to my life. Conclusion. My 14-day minimalism journey has been transformational, and I wouldn't trade it for anything. It's incredible how simplifying my life has brought me more happiness and fulfillment than ever before. I challenge you all to try it out and see the magic unfold in your own life. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more inspiring content, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, less is more. Bye, everyone. Stay happy, stay minimalist.